Good morning, it's Chris Lingenfelter from Robot Advisors, and we're here in Las Vegas at PACK EXPO 2023. Excited to see what new technologies there are here in the store for us. Come, let's check it out. So we're here at PACK EXPO, and I ran into Brandon from EBS Inkjet Systems. They have this cool handheld printer where you can just print whatever you need on a pallet. Tell us about it.
So we got two different models here. We're showing at PACK EXPO 2023 Las Vegas. We've got our EBS 250 and our EBS 260. Our EBS 260 is our newer model. Everything here is German made, so everything's made over in Germany. We're the US branch here. These are considered large character, portable handheld printers. So they can print on anything. Concrete, metal, plastic, steel, cardboard, paper, wood, it goes on everything. Yeah.
Brandon, what kind of applications do you see in warehousing?
So for packaging, it's not one size fits all, which is I think the best part of our product. It goes on a little bit of everything. So anything from the plastic shrink wrap, so if you've got something that you need to put outside, we have UV durable inks that hold up outside as well. But anything with cardboard, so if you need box 1 of 5 or 1 of 6, instead of having like an inline version, if you don't have as many things going on, you can easily just put with the handheld printer 1 of 1 or real date, real time, please. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the trigger.
I haven't been trained at all on how to use this gun, so it's a little scary.
So you're going to click the trigger once, release, just press the bottom wheel up against the pad and guide it across.
Budweiser.
And then you click the next button and go ahead again. And you just click it and keep going. It does logos.
Hi, I'm here with Amanda Allen from Kardex, and we're in the North Hall, booth 10129. Amanda is with Kardex, who's known for their VLMs and carousels, been around, I don't know, since the 50s or 60s, 50 years at least. But you guys are a recent addition to the auto store community.
We are, yes. So we have had a presence in the U.S. now for just over 2 years. The great thing about us is that we outsource with over 1,000 Kardex technicians domestically.
So if I was in, I don't know, Oklahoma, and I put in my auto store system, the Kardex service team, 1,000 people across the United States,
yes,
can service it.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Excellent. Anything else we should know about what you guys are up to at Kardex?
Well, I'll say that the Kardex brand, obviously, to your point, has been around since the 50s or 60s. So very well-known name. And what a lot of people don't know is now we've expanded. So we're Kardex Solutions Auto Store under the well-known Kardex umbrella. So now we have the ability to offer Kardex Solutions Auto Store and lean on, obviously, the reputation that Kardex has built for such a long time.
And I know that you guys are also a partner with SVP Robotics.
Yes.
So we're going to meet up with them and you guys again tomorrow. But thank you, Amanda, for your time this morning. Appreciate it.
Yes.
And folks, if you're here at PACK EXPO, come check out booth 1029 in the North Hall.
Yes.
Thanks, Amanda.
Thank you.
All right, so we're in the North Hall at booth 10343 in Bastian Solutions booth, and I'm joined by Stefanie Hardy again. Good to see you again.
Yeah, great to see you too.
Stefanie was with us at ProMat in Chicago in the spring, but some new technology here. Tell me what we're looking at, Stefanie.
All right, so here at PACK EXPO, this is actually our first year at the Las Vegas show, and so far great traffic, so we're excited to be here. At this year's show, we are introducing Bastian Solutions Stack Order, which is our complete robotic palletizing, depalletizing system.
And that's what we see right behind us.
It is. And this is a cobot, but it also works with industrial robots too, so either way.
Okay. Cobot meaning a person can be around it, like we're relatively close.
Exactly.
And so I'm imagining an order comes down for a pallet, and it's configuring. These look like they're all the same boxes, but they could be different size shaped boxes?
Typically with this system, it's mostly the same size
Okay, so
boxes.
one SKU, but you're palletizing that SKU.
Yes, but we also have robotic palletizing where we can do full layer palletizing. So we can do eaches,
Okay.
or we can do the full layers.
Okay, how many different patterns can the system store?
This system is completely unlimited.
Oh, wow.
That's really the benefit of the stack order system, is you can change your pallet design on the fly. So if you're doing one box size and then all of a sudden you change up your product line, you got different box size, you go into the systems, change out the specs, and you can roll.
Tell me about this bad boy right here.
This beauty is called CB18. It is a completely autonomous fork truck. So it can go up to 3 meters per second, one of the fastest on the market. One of the other benefits is it can go up to about 14 feet 7 inches, so also one of the highest on the market. Completely autonomous. It's natural features navigation, so no additional infrastructure needed. You're not following magnets or putting trenches in the floor. We go in there, we map it to your facility. Completely flexible.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so, Stefanie, are you making this?
We are, yes. It was engineered and designed in our facility in Georgetown, Kentucky. And then we are manufacturing and assembling it in St. Louis, Missouri.
Wow. Excellent. All right. Something else to check out in the Bastian booth. Thanks, Stefanie.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so I'm here in the center hall in booth 5442 with Chandler Downing. Chandler is with Codian, a robotics company based in the Netherlands that our folks might not be 100% familiar with. So tell us a little bit about Codian and your Delta robots.
Absolutely. So Codian is a Dutch-based company where we build our mechanical linkages in the Netherlands. So we're providing just Delta mechanics, where solutions are having the gearboxes and mechanical linkages of the parallel kinematic style.
So Chandler, it seems to me like an articulated arm is like our arm, right? Where you've got multiple joints. But it looks to me like the Delta robots can go faster.
Yes. So with the Delta mechanics, we're driving that one control point with multiple servos at the same time. So we're able to get a lot faster speeds. We can actually get quite high payloads as well by reducing all of the weight down at that TTP plate or the control point there. So to pick products very quickly and the heavy payload products as well with maybe a complex gripper to grab, intricate details of a product.
Where would you see a Delta robot deployed for in a warehouse?
We're starting to see Delta robots grow a lot more in the logistics space, where we have one mass conveyor belt that has a bunch of parcels and boxes, and then using the higher payload Delta robots, we can grab those and put those in a specific conveyor belt to control the placement of all those, to basically singulate the product.
Got it. Wow. Excellent. Well, hey, Chandler, I really appreciate your time.
Of course.
That's excellent.
Thanks for stopping by.
You bet. So we are here in the South Hall, the upper floor of the South Hall, and I'm joined by Marc Boix from Qimarox. Has a very, and it's been around for a while, but it's quite an interesting solution, right? It's this continuously moving vertical conveyor. So before we get into the solution, tell us a little bit about the company. Is it a Dutch company?
We are a Dutch company. We're based in the Netherlands, and we are a component manufacturer. We deliver all our products as a component, so partially finished machine if you wish. And then we deal only with integrators. The integrators, they're not a complete turnkey and sell it to the end users. We don't deal with the end users.
And I guess you could put it in a food manufacturing facility.
These units are installed from a production side where you've got different levels that you need to or convey from an outfit of the case packer to a palletizing centralized system elsewhere in the same location, or in e-commerce facilities, warehouses, DC centers, depends on the application. We can do multi-level sorting at multiple levels, multiple infits, multiple outputs, dual flow, up and down with the same unit, etc.
Totally perfect. Well, Marc, hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your time here in Las Vegas.
Yeah, and have a good show.
Thank you.